Question. Have you ever tried motivating a grown man with no snacks, no screen time, and no scoreboard? Yeah, good luck. That doesn't even work on toddlers, and even we get gold stars. But your service shop, you've got technicians busting their knuckles all day and zero visibility on who's performing. No leaderboard, no stats, just hope and wild, wild west stare downs. And then you wonder why nobody's hitting their numbers. We track diaper changes in real time, but you're telling me Carl in Bay 4 doesn't know he's dead last in hours build? That's not management, man. That's mystery. You've got a break room whiteboard that looks like it was wiped down with a dirty diaper. Updated maybe once a week, even if someone remembers. Half the time the marker's missing. The other half, nobody updates it because they don't want to hurt feelings. Yeah, let's ignore the pink elephant instead of helping the team improve. Genius. You want more billable hours? Show people the scoreboard. DDS Fixed Ops Leaderboards give your techs real-time visibility on performance. Right there in the shop, hourly stats, rankings, no secrets. Turns out adults like progress charts too. You don't need another meeting, you need a monitor. So yeah, leave the diaper tracking to me. You run your shop like a grown-up with digital dealership system. Check out the DDS website for more details. And use the link to book a call with my digital sign dad.